What's up, guys? So today we are unboxing another watch by Nove.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George, this is Blake. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. Today we are unboxing another watch from Nove. So if you haven't seen our previous video where we unboxed the world's thinnest diving watch, I'll have a link to that down below. You can check that out. But today we have another watch which is super unique. So we don't do a lot of watch videos, but this watch was super interesting and we thought we should show you guys because they're actually doing something different and something new. So let's get to the unboxing.
All right, guys, so now let's take a look and see why this watch is so special. Okay, first impressions, guys. It's beautiful. It has a nice face. It has like a craftsmanship to it, which happens to be the name. And it's like a wood grain bezel with stainless steel and a leather band. It's actually a very nice watch. It feels luxurious, feels expensive, but it's not too expensive. This watch right here cost you about $500 and it's Swiss made again, so you know it's quality. And it's quite frankly just a nice looking watch. The mechanics behind this are sick.
So what's awesome about this watch, other than like the sapphire crystal and the Swiss movement, is the way you actually set the time for this watch. So as you can see, there is no crown on the side of this watch. They have this little kind of, I guess it looks like a bank vault door, honestly,
yeah.
on the back of here. And all you need to do is unwind this real quick, like you're opening a bank vault.
Yes.
And then you just tap and it'll change the minute. And then if you hold it for 4 seconds, it'll go on its own. And you can just set the hour, set the time. I mean, this is super cool because I've never seen any other watch that sets the time like this. I mean, granted, you're probably not going to show your friends that, look at how cool it is to set the time, but you can.
Yeah, it can be a conversation starter. Maybe you're in a nice bar, you're on the plane, you take off your watch, you're going to set your time.
Right, you know, you fly to a different time zone, you're in the passenger seat of the plane, just
It may draw attention, you know, good attention.
Basically, you know, this is cool because it keeps the watch face kind of streamlined. It doesn't have the crown on the side, and then you just spin the bank vault door closed and lock it up, and then throw it on your wrist. So as you can see, guys, this is how it looks on wrist. It is a little bit thicker, but basically it's not too big, which is a nice touch. And then the kind of mixture of the wood and the stainless steel and the leather gives it definitely an interesting look for, you know, a conversation starter. So if you guys didn't know already, we do have a discount code for 20% off all the watches at Nove. And what we like about Nove is that these watches are completely different. You know, we've all seen the watches that you can get on Alibaba and from China, and they look like every other watch. They just put a different brand name on the watch. So they've been able to design completely original models and also, you know, put some interesting mechanics onto each of their watches that really helps them stand out from a sea of watches that look very similar. So if you guys are looking for something different, something unique, and something that is high quality, I definitely recommend checking out Nove. We will have a link to them down below, also 20% off. So click that link, be sure to check them out. It really helps us out. And that pretty much wraps up the unboxing for Nove. Comment down below if you checked out the first video with the Trident, and then comment which watch you would prefer, the Trident or the Craftsman down below. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, please do that right now. If you haven't followed us on Instagram at gentslounge, give us a follow over there, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Cheers.
You know what, I think I like the Craftsman more. Originally, yesterday I was thinking the thin one. I don't know.
It's tough.
Which one do you like more?
I think I like the dive watch.